Namaste. Once again, I am here with you to guide you on online teaching. And I think you all are well prepared with your copy and books because without books, without proper copies, you cannot do anything well. Yesterday, I told you to buy or get some English exercise books or English copies so that you can write there properly what were taught to you. The first thing yesterday I told you to write the names of the chapter and their writer's name. Chapter's names and writer's name. It is very important. Very important. For example, if all of you are watching the video, you will answer. I will question first. Who wrote Monkey Trouble? Right? Your answer is Ruskin Bond. Very good. Second question is, who wrote Birdie Will You Pet? Birdie Will You Pet? Again, the answer is W. Ellington. W. Ellington. And third question is, who wrote a Hero? Answer is R.K. Narayan. Who wrote Fight Manju Fight? Answer is Sigan Srivastava. Who wrote I Dream a World? Answer is Langston Hughes. So such type of things if you prepare, then you will feel very comfortable during the time of examination and even in the classroom teaching. Now let us come to the main point. Our first topic, first chapter of literature is Monkey Trouble by Ruskin Bond. You know what is monkey trouble? Monkey trouble means trouble or problem created by a monkey. The writer preferred to present before you the activity of a monkey. Why? Because monkey is always loved by the children. No other animals are loved by the students or children as the monkey is loved by them. So monkey is here main character, better to say. And the name of the monkey is Tutu. She is a girl monkey. And she was brought home by grandfather. Narrator's grandfather. Means Ruskin Bond's grandfather. At home, earlier, the grandmother did not allow any animal to come in. But grandfather assured that Tutu was a girl monkey, and as grandmother wanted a girl in the house, so finally she allowed Tutu to live in the house. She was very mischievous. She frightened everyone in the house. Aunt Ruby, the aunt of narrator, she was always frightened. Recently, what happened? Earlier, Aunt Ruby did not want to marry, but the negotiation was finalized and she was going to marry a young man, and his name was Rocky Fernandez, a teacher from Goa. And you know, when the ring ceremony was going to take place, both of them decided to buy a ring from the jeweler shop. They planned together to go to the jeweler shop, and this planning was overheard by the narrator. He also decided to follow them secretly because Aunt Ruby did not want that the narrator should follow them. When both of them reached the jeweler shop, the narrator followed, and Tutu also became aware of the fact that some important thing was going to take place. So she also followed the narrator. Now Antruby, Rocky Fernandez, narrator, and Tutu, monkey. All four characters are there in the jeweler shop. While Rocky Fernandez and Antruby were trying for a ring, suitable ring, in the meantime, Antruby, Tutu took a pearl necklace and put it round her neck and ran away from there. She created a huge mess in the market. Huge mess, that means here is trouble. She created a trouble in the market. Everyone started chasing her to stop in order to take back the necklace. Among all, the jeweler was most anxious. All of them were chasing, and Tutu was running away. When she realized that she would be caught and locked up in the room, she decided to throw the necklace into a canal down the road. And she did the same, threw the necklace down into the canal. Now here again became a great problem. Many people jumped into the canal to find the necklace. Finally, after 20 minutes, Rocky Fernandez found the necklace, and the necklace was returned to the jeweler. The jeweler became very happy. So, actually, the story ends here, but a little bit you will find that when the marriage ceremony was to take place, then grandmother was preparing a wedding cake, and Tutu was helping her in preparing the wedding cake. But while she was helping, she mixed different things, spices, herbs, and eggshells. And when the wedding cake was prepared, the guest tasted the cakes, but the cake was not hygienic and not tasty. Therefore, the guests were annoyed. They did not come back again after that. So this was the activities, mischievousness and mischiefs of a girl monkey Tutu. Understand? Okay. Now I will give you some questions. Please write down the questions and answer the question in your copy, English copy. The first question is, who was Tutu? Written down? Okay. The second question was, who brought Tutu home? Third question, why did not grandmother like Tutu at home? Fourth question, who was Rocky Fernandez? Next, why did Rocky Fernandez and Andruby go to market? Who followed them? Next, what did uh, Tutu do in the jeweler shop? Next question, why did Tutu throw the necklace down into the canal? Who found the necklace? And next question, what did Tutu mix in the wedding cake? These questions you will try. Understand? Thank you.